Ramadan is coming soon, so we need to prepare our grocery list.
Yes, it is better to buy everything early.
I want to make a complete list for the whole month.
Good idea. That will save time later.
First, we need rice, because we cook it often.
Please add flour for bread and snacks.
We also need dates for iftar every day.
Don't forget milk for tea and desserts.
I will also buy lentils for soup.
Let's buy cooking oil as well.
We need basic spices, like salt, turmeric, and chili powder.
What about fruits for fresh juice?
Yes, I will add apples, bananas, and oranges.
We should buy vegetables for healthy meals.
I am writing potatoes, tomatoes, and onions.
Add chicken and some beef too.
Do we need frozen items for quick cooking?
Maybe frozen samosas and parathas.
Good. That will save time before iftar.
Let's also check snacks for the children.
Okay, we will go grocery shopping tomorrow evening.
Great, I will be ready after work.
This supermarket looks very crowded today.
Yes, many people are shopping for Ramadan.
Let's take a trolley first.
I will get one from near the entrance.
We should follow our list carefully.
That will help us avoid unnecessary items.
The fruits section is on the right side.
Let's start from there.
These oranges look fresh.
Yes, they are perfect for juice.
I will also take some bananas.
Don't forget apples for snacks.
Now let's move to the vegetables section.
The tomatoes here are very fresh.
I am adding potatoes and cucumbers.
We should also buy green chilies.
Good idea for extra flavor.
What is next on the list?
We need rice and flour.
The grain section is in the next aisle.
Great, let's go there.
This shopping is going smoothly.
Look at these different types of dates.
There are so many varieties here.
These soft dates look very fresh.
Yes, they are perfect for iftar.
I think we should buy 2 boxes.
That will be enough for many days.
Let's also buy some almonds and cashews.
Dry fruits are healthy and energizing.
I will take 1 pack of raisins too.
Good idea for desserts.
We also need oats for a light suhoor.
Oats are very filling and healthy.
Should we buy cornflakes as well?
Yes, they are quick for busy mornings.
I am also taking some sugar.
Don't forget tea and coffee.
Yes, we use them every day.
What about honey for a healthy option?
That's a great idea.
Now our dry food section is complete.
Let's move to the meat section next.
Okay, follow me.
The meat section looks very busy.
Yes, everyone is preparing for Ramadan meals.
Let's buy some fresh chicken first.
How many kilos do we need?
3 kilos should be enough for now.
I will ask the worker to pack it.
We also need some beef.
I think 2 kilos will be fine.
Let's also check frozen foods.
Frozen samosas are here.
These will be helpful for quick iftar snacks.
I will add 1 pack of spring rolls.
Should we buy frozen vegetables too?
Yes, they are useful when we run out of fresh ones.
I am adding frozen peas.
Good choice.
Do we need frozen parathas?
Yes, they are easy for suhoor.
Great, that saves cooking time.
Our trolley is getting full now.
We're almost done with the list.
Let's check the dairy section next.
Here is the dairy section.
We need milk for the whole week.
I will take 4 large cartons.
That should be enough for tea and cooking.
We also need yogurt for meals.
Yogurt is very refreshing in Ramadan.
I am adding butter and cheese.
Cheese is great for sandwiches.
Let's buy some cream for desserts.
Good idea for fruit custard.
Now, let's look at the drink section.
We should buy some juice packs.
Mango juice is the children's favorite.
I will also take orange juice.
Should we buy some date syrup?
Yes, it is healthy and tasty.
I also want some rose syrup for special drinks.
That will be perfect for iftar.
Do we need more water bottles?
Yes, let's take one large pack.
Okay, dairy and drinks are complete.
Now let's check the snacks section.
There are many discount offers here.
That's good for our budget.
These biscuits are on sale.
Let's take 2 packs.
I will also buy some crackers.
They are good for light snacks.
Look at these chips offers.
The children will love them.
I will take a few packs only.
Yes, we should avoid buying too many.
These instant noodles are also discounted.
They are useful for quick meals.
I am adding 1 pack.
Let's also check chocolate offers.
Just a small pack for treats.
Good control.
We should also buy some custard powder.
That's perfect for desserts.
Our snacks section is almost done.
Let's review our list again.
Everything looks complete.
Great, now we can go to the billing counter.
The billing line is quite long.
Yes, but it is moving fast.
I will organize the items in the trolley.
That will make billing easier.
Please keep the fragile items separately.
I am placing the eggs carefully. The trolley feels much lighter now.
Our turn is coming.
I'll place the items on the counter.
Yes, the cashier is scanning quickly. How much is the total?
It's 200 reals.
The total looks reasonable. The discounts really helped.
I'll complete the payment.
Please pack frozen items separately.
Everything is packed nicely.
I'll take the lighter bags.
I'll carry the heavy ones.
Shopping feels successful today.
Planning made it easy.
I'm glad we came early.
The crowd will increase next week.
Let's head home now.
Yes, time to organize everything. The kitchen will look full today.
Let's put the frozen items in the freezer first.
I'm arranging them carefully.
I'll organize the dry items in the cabinet.
Keep the dates in an easy place.
The fruits look so fresh. I'll wash them and store them properly.
The vegetables also look good.
This preparation will save time later.
And reduce stress before iftar.
Everything is now organized.
The kitchen looks ready.
I'm excited for the first iftar.
Me too.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.